In this video, I will show you how to turn off inverted camera on FaceTime. Now, if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, turning off inverted camera effect, which is known as mirror front camera for FaceTime, involves changing a setting in your phone's main settings. Now, this will affect all the applications using the front camera, and the person you are calling will always see the non-mirrored correct orientation of your video feed. Now, to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go on your iPhone or iPad and you're going to go into settings. Now, once you're in settings, what you're going to do is you're going to go to camera. And on the camera, you're going to scroll down till you see the header that says composition. Now, under composition, you're going to see where it says mirror front camera and you're going to toggle the switch on. And once you toggle that on, the inverted camera should be turned off for all applications on your phone, including FaceTime. Now that's how to turn off inverted camera on FaceTime. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.